Hi! In front of me is TECNO Camon 18 Premier, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by going into Devices Settings and tapping on More Connections right away. Then select Bluetooth at the top and click on this switcher next to Use Bluetooth if it's not already on. Finally, you can wait for available devices to show up, and when they do, tap on the one that you wish to connect to. Now select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to do the same. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected, but you can always disconnect them by choosing this gear next to the device and clicking on Forget next to connect. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!